here checking out camping across from Sarah's Park, south of Lake Havasu. And this area here is pretty nice. It looks like an old rock quarry. There's a bunch of campers in here. When we first came out here, there were, what, a couple out here.
But like 3.
Yeah, this is a nice area. Very nice indeed. I have the coordinates. I have this saved on my phone, so we can have it the next time we come. Very nice indeed. This is the one with the old tank, and you can see that from the road. Sweet. We are here at Culver's, gonna check out their fish sandwich. They say it's the best around. What you say, Mr. Childers?
We'll see. That's all I know. Teas. We got sweet tea here, which is unusual out here. A lot of places don't have sweet tea. But they're getting, I guess more southern people starting to show up. So they're starting to have sweet tea. People keep asking for it. Well, a whole bunch of southern people in Wyoming, you'd be surprised.
Seriously?
They got sweet tea out there now.
Yep. Well, French fries good?
Pretty good. Good.
All right.
Good and hot. Ooh.
Here we go. He's gonna taste it. Oh, it looks good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Pretty good.
Sweet.
Nice and thick.
Mm-hmm. All right. Mmm.
Very good. You best dial in there.
Oh, yeah. He says I better dive into mine or he's going to dive in for me.
Mm-hmm.